All right, hey guys, I want to show you exactly how to use this sheet once you get it. So basically, after you download it, you'll get a link to make a copy of this sheet, and it'll basically look like this. There's some instructions here, but I'm going to do it right now in this video. There's going to be a template here, and it says duplicate here, and just come here and hit this arrow and hit duplicate. And the reason why is because you always want to save one blank template so that you can kind of make unlimited copies and use this for as many games as you want. So you'll come here and then you'll basically rename this tab to whatever you want the game to be called. So let's say it's Seahawks versus Patriots or something. Doesn't really matter. Okay, so now you're going to be working in this sheet. And maybe you even want to hide everything because once you share this with everyone else, make sure that they edit the right one, right? So you can basically just share it like this. And then you can always go back and find the hidden ones here. And then just hide them when you share it out to other people, right? Okay, so step number one, the first thing you want to do is enter everyone's names who's playing and then the cost per square. So let's say each square is $100, and then you can start entering everyone's names who's going to be playing. Whoops, I don't want to do too close for my example. Something like this, right? And it's gonna show them how many squares they've selected over here and then how much they owe based on the cost per square. Now the first 15 players will have their own colors to make it a little bit easier to see. After that, they're not going to have colors, but you can still see their selections. It's just not going to have like cool colors because I kind of just ran out of colors. But okay, so once you do this, the next thing you want to do is share this out with everyone. So I recommend that you just share it to everyone's Gmails. So just go up to share and then just put in their emails here, and then they'll basically make sure that they can edit, not view or comment, but make sure that they can edit. This way they can just open up this sheet and they can just start selecting their squares, right? If they don't have a Gmail, I guess you can just still share it. Turn this from restricted, because if it's restricted, only people who you add here in their emails have access to it. If they don't have a Gmail, they can still do it. Just change this to anyone with a link. Make sure that it's set to edit. Copy this link and then just give it to that person that way. But it's better to share it with emails because this way you can see who has edited what, and it's just a little bit more secure that way. Okay, you also want to enter in the name of the team. So you only want to edit all cells that are blue. So actually this cell will be blue once I finish this template out. So it's going to be blue like this. And then so let's say this is Seahawks, and let's say this is Patriots, right? So now you'll share it out. And then everyone's names will be here, hopefully, right? Who is going to be playing. To make this easy, I'm just going to copy what I had from here, just so I don't have to type in all of these names again. Okay, so now once everyone gets their sheet, they're going to open it up, and then all they have to do is select all the squares that they want. So let's say Drew Brees selects, I don't know, 3 squares. So he has 3 squares at $100 per, he owes $300, okay? And then so forth. Tom Brady, whatever, they can all select however many squares that they want, okay? Now I'm going to pretend that I selected all these squares. I'm just going to copy and paste this for this video here. Okay, so now we have $10,000 worth of squares. And now the game's about to start. So now what you want to do is go over here to step 3 and randomize these numbers. So highlight the first set of numbers. Go to more actions. If you don't see randomize range, it's probably under more actions. Hit randomize. Now these numbers will be randomized, and then you'll do the same for this one here. Randomize. Now once this part is done, I'd recommend possibly just taking a screenshot of it just to make sure in case anyone accidentally changes anything, you know what it's all like, okay? Now when the game starts, you can basically just enter in all the scores here, and it'll automatically put out the winner. So Patriots have 3, Seahawks have 10. The winner is Tom Brady because it's 3 and 0 is here, Tom Brady. If you do a reverse winner, say 0 and 3, then Aaron Rodgers is the winner. So now let's say it's 15 or 14 to 21. Tom Brady wins again, 4 and 1 here. So now let's go, I don't know, let's say it's 17 and 27. Now it's Drew Brees, 7 and 7, Drew Brees, and then the game ends and it's 20 to 30. 00 would be Patrick Mahomes. And then now you know everyone owes, however much they owe. And then when you're done with the game, you can basically just hide it, delete it, whatever. And the next time you have a game, just go to your template and make another copy and do the same thing all over again. So yeah, super easy. The link is in the description below. So just once you purchase it and you download it, you'll get this link, and then it's really easy to get started. All right, let me know if you have any questions. My email will be in this template. It'll be under start here. You can email me here. Yeah, all right, there you go.